Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 9th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the euro yen has been drifting down since market open, and if it breaks below here, I definitely will stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts. But because of the higher time frames, if you look, every single higher time frame is an uptrend. I definitely am assuming this move down could possibly bounce from one of these fib levels, and it easily could just keep on going up. Going up to the daily time frame, I have this marked as a possible wave B. Now, if it makes an engulfing move to the downside, breaks structure down on the 1 hour time frame, starting probably tomorrow, I will be more than happy to start looking for shorts. But until that happens, I have no idea whether that is what's going to happen. And it could make a higher low, and it could just keep on going up, which is why I will continue to look for longs in an uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm watching my Fibonacci levels very closely. If we get a fib bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside, I definitely will continue to look for longs potentially for the continuation of the uptrend, at least until the higher roadmap timeframes tell me otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.